If you're looking for something that will scrub and clean, this may be something that you are looking for in a scrub brush. It's strong, RPM on high and low. We're on low at the moment. Put it on high for deep cleaning and apply a ton of pressure. Easy to shut down by a long press, so you can get it wet and wipe clean just like that. For tiles, simply turn on and scrub. And clean your scrub brush. This is a company called iFit. It is a 30-watt 7-in-1 scrub brush. We're going to unbox it, show you what you get inside, and how nicely they come packed. As we open up the box, inside, laid on top, is your instruction guide. As removing the pieces, we have the scrubbers, we have sponge, Scotch guard, terry cloth, and chamois type. We have a wide scrub brush, about 1-inch bristle, hard. Scrub brush attachment, Velcro type for these pieces. The USB-C charging cable, a number of attachments inside the casing. We have a small and a cone head shape. We have the scrub brush control and holder, handle, and more. Please remember to peel off all stickers and film. And we have the extension poles wrapped in plastic. Attaching the scrub brush we have here is the threaded area that simply take one of the poles, hold and screw on, and attach the other end by screwing on as well for the long extension. Release the top to extend further and lock into place. The scrub brush measures about 50 inches. To put the attachments on is simply grabbing, putting over, and on. To take off, simply grab and pull. Snap on. Pull. During charging, the unit will not turn on. Remove the cable. Close the silicone door for IP rating. To turn the unit on is simply a long press of the button, and the unit will revolve. It shows in the green light 90%. The second press shows a higher volume of spinning of RPM, and then back to the low and high. Long press shuts off. Scrub brushes could be used about for everything. Remember the scrub brushes that you're using for porcelain and be careful. Simply match up. Scrub a tile floor, a wooden floor, a countertop, and more. Polishing a car. Simply place the attachment on and grab the chamois and smack on, and you're able to polish. If misplacing on incorrectly, place down on the table and correctly go over the center the best you can and turn on for polishing. You want to clean the wheels of the car. Hard to get into. Simply change over to the small pieces or inside a toilet bowl or a sink. Please remember to be careful of the bristles. The Model A12. We have the extension stick. We could shorten the stick up by taking off. And we can use the small stick. This part will not go into the control handle. This part will. And then you could extend it to the height you want, or a short height as well. What we're going to go do now is clean the shower bathroom doors. It has some buildup, and we want to use the hard bristle brush. And then we'll come back and we can polish it with the chamois. We have the brush and we're spraying liquid on our area and we want to apply it. We want to place on the applicator. As you can see how it spreads the liquid. And we're using just the handle. If we don't want to bend down, we put on the extenders. Hold the top for secure, and we're able to reach, standing clear of the liquid and the spray. We can remove the application and place on the bristle brush. We have 90% power and we're on high speed. And now we work in our brush for cleaning. As you can see, the grind, and we'll show you the after when done. Aligning up and pulling off, and now we're going to buff out the shower. Turn the unit on and give a buff. Oh, we're going to clean, put a little water, and reapply. And with your favorite sponge, you could just simply clean your shower door. I will show you what it looks like, all nice and clean. With the 30-watt scrubber, this is what it looks like, nice and clean with the unit. And over here, we left a spot, and we need to clean up again. And you can see how nice and clean the shower door looks. And clean.